What's good, YouTube? Back with another video. You did. Show y'all how to put this battery on. Yamaha Power Sports battery motorcycle battery on. You know what I'm saying? This right here is the battery acid. Right here, battery acid. You want to make sure you have some gloves on and some eyewear to protect you from this dangerous chemical. Here we go. This is a 12 volt, right? Something like that. It's a 12 volt battery. Now the battery goes inside of here. If you don't know how to get to the battery, this is how you do it. Get your key, come down here, pop it open like that. And you're gonna hear like a little pop. It's gonna pop this, take the little seat off. And to get right here, I already took the bolts off, but it's 2 bolts like this. They go right here. Like that. Just untwist that one. And there's gonna be another one right there. Untwist that one. So you untwist those, take that out. And boom, voila, take your seat off. And your battery is right up under here. You know what I'm saying? This is a Yamaha FZ6R. Yamaha FZ6R. 2012. If you look right here, you see it says H and L. You can change the height of your seat. So if you want it higher, you just, there's a bolt that goes right here, like that, right? So when you buy it or when you get the bike in factory, it's gonna be on the lower position. It's gonna be on L. If you want your seat to go higher, move that back. See how I move that to the H? Move it back. So that's low. Move it back. That's high. It raises your seat up higher. Boom. Put the bolt in. Boom. Now your seat's raised. And take this off. Oop. And your battery's under here. Now I already took my battery out because it was old and it was a piece of as you can see right here. Yeah, it was straight garbage. Get that right real quick, y'all. Excuse me, man. I'm just trying to get everything right. But yeah, all right, now we back over here. So what you want to do is you want to take this off. Like that. Take the little top off the battery acid. All right, take the little strip off of your 12 volt battery right there. And it's going to reveal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. Which matches up with this. Oh, what a coincidence. It's on top like that and give it a little bit of pressure. Let me see. Now just let that sit for about 30 minutes and let it fill up. We'll come back in like 20-30 minutes to check it out. And it should be done. If we look closely, you can see. See it bubbling? You kind of see it going down. Oh, there's a better view right there. Filling the battery up with that battery acid. Alright, we back, bruh. About 30-35 minutes later, all of the acid has filled up. Out. Put it back in the box. Throw that away. Any excess. Take the top that came off of the acid pack and put that on top of the battery. Just a light press. You don't want to press down all the way yet. Just cover up the holes. I had to get the bike like sitting up straight, so when I put the battery in, it's not leaning. Like it's not leaning on the kickstand. I had to get it straight, so I had to put it on the stand. Take your battery, wrap it up in your heat wrap. If you don't got a heat wrap, it's cool. You don't necessarily need one. Take the battery and place it down into the bike like so. Voila. I have the battery tender junior automatic battery charger, which I just plug in the wall, and I have the hookup already connected to this bike, right? Like that. If you don't have the hookup already connected to the bike, you're gonna use like the little small mini jumper cables like this. You feel me? All right. Tighten the screw up. The red on the positive. And then the black on the negative. Do the red first and then the black second. You did. And like I was saying earlier, I already have the charger connected to my bike. And now I have the battery tender charger plugged up. And now I'm just going to plug this up to this. Oh. And let that bad boy charge for about 8 hours, man, so it can get a full charge. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna come back, we'll let it charge for about 8 hours until this battery tender light turns red. I mean green. When it turns green. So I'm probably gonna holler at y'all in the morning, and we gonna see where we at. Morning, sleepyhead. Let's see what we got, man. Well, I like to see right there, boy. So we got a fully charged battery. Let's unplug this thing and let's try to fire it up. I'm playing. Unattach it. Bow. Like that. And then you want to come back over here and make sure these make sure those little black buttons are pushed down into the, you can't see it right now because I got the foil covering it, but you remember those little black tabs that go on top of the battery? You want to make sure those are pushed down. Here we go. Let me see. There's all them little black buttons. Go all the way across and make sure they pushed all the way down. Make sure they flush. Okay, that's a good sign, cuz. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Let's see if this thing start up, bro. Here we go, moment of truth. A little closer. You deep. Shine bright like a diamond. And ladies and gentlemen, that is how you get rid of your old trash battery and put you a new motorcycle battery in your bike so you can keep rolling down these streets. Next video coming soon. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe. Yeah!